Hello, happy Vlogmas Day 3. And so today I'm just gonna show you a few things that I'm working on. And one thing that a lot of people have already showed you, they showed you probably like a month, maybe even a month and a half ago. And I was gonna save it for Christmas, but by now it's old news, so I'm not gonna save it anymore. But whenever it was on sale, I did get this, which is the advent calendar from Darn Good Yarn. And these are super cute little balls here. Look at these tiny little balls. They're so cute. They're so cute. How cute are those? Anyway, it's a thin yarn. But there's plenty of videos out there talking about the DGY advent calendar. And like most people, I think the original MSRP on it was $125. There's no way in all the heck would I ever pay that much money for these little things of yarn. I mean, they are really cute. And I'm so glad that I do have them. See, there's another one. And they're in these great, amazing colors. But no, totally not worth, to me, not worth $125. But for the $10 that I spent on it, totally worth it. And I would have even spent a little bit more on it. It's so cute. They do have this, and it's a 2019 advent calendar, but they do have this, the pattern thing. So there's two patterns in here that I'm interested in using these little balls for. One are the Christmas lights, which those are super duper cute. But I think what I'm going to go with, so it's not too seasonal, I am going to go with, it's something very similar, and it is this little pom-pom garland. I'm really liking that. Really liking that. So I think that's what I'm going to go with, is the pom-pom garland. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to go with. And next thing that I want to show you guys, so I'm not going to go through all of them. There's some great colors in here, and I know that you guys have seen all the colors, but let's go ahead and show you the other two things that I'm working on. One is just a continuation of the blanket, and then I started making more because I can't help myself. Anyway, there's another one. I'm taking them out because I'm taking them out of this flimsy little box so I can put them away a little bit more securely in one of my big Ziploc baggy thingies. Anyway, so what am I working on right now? I finished with all my squares for this. This is going to be my baby granny square blanket. And I started on the white borders. And then once I get all the white borders done, I am going to sew it together. And which I'll put this whenever I do the video of all of this and how I put them together and everything. I'll repeat this, but it's going to be a 7x8 square blanket. I could have made it an 8x8, but I ended up, I had used the same yarn for a project last Easter to make little Easter baskets to put treats in for all of my daughter's teachers. So I did not, that was in her 8th grade year. So I did not have the full skein on there. Next up is the kitty cat blanket. That's the last thing that I'm going to show you. And then, like I said, I liked it. I want to try and keep these as short as possible, and I'm getting close to 5 minutes. But so the kitty cat blanket, I am going to show you. Here is, look at that. There's the green and white, green and red kitty cat. See all the, now I have red, white, and green kitty cats, and they're upside down. I just realized they're upside down. Okay, now they're right side up. There's all the little kitty cats. So what I decided to do with this one is, this is actually going to go to my mother-in-law, and I'm going to give it to them as a Christmas blanket instead of keeping it for myself. And you're like, but Melanie, you said this was going to be for you. Why are you giving it away again? Well, because I couldn't make just one. Nope, couldn't make just one. I'm actually gonna make myself two. So my Christmas kitty blanket is gonna be these colors. Red, white, and gray. So I need to get started on that, and then I'll keep up with it as I'm doing the other one at the same time. And then the other one, I'm making another kitty cat blanket, and this one's gonna be year round. And I have already started on this one, but I'm using that, remember the video I did a while back? I'll link it up above, but it's showing you the cobblestone yarn. Well, I decided to make a kitty cat blanket. Now the color, it's very muted colors compared to how stark the differences on the Christmas one are. So it's harder to see, but I think it's still really pretty. And this is gonna be a year-round blanket for us. So anyway, so I started on that one, and I'll be keeping up with that one. And that's gonna be, as you can see, it's 4 colors. All right. Anyway, so I'm gonna be making 3 kitty cat blankets. Kitties in a row, that's what the blanket's called, kitties in a row. So I'm gonna be making 3 of those, and 2 of them are gonna be for me. So it's not like I'm not giving myself anything. I just decided that for our house, the red, white, and gray would be a better match for us rather than the red, white, and green. So I do a lot of red and white, as you can see. I like to pick red and white whenever I decorate, as opposed to red, white, and green. Not that I don't like green. Love me some green. One of the, and actually, I'll probably have a decorate my tree with me vlog one day, but my tree's gonna be like this tall. It's not very big. It's gonna be like, anyway, it's not gonna be very tall because we don't have that much room for a tree, so we put it on top of our table at the end of our kitchen table. Anyway, I'm up to over 7 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, but you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.